This is my current favorite chocolate sponge, soft, rich, and perfect for any cake that needs a good base. Let's start with the chocolate base. I added cocoa powder to a bowl, then some instant coffee and salt. The coffee just deepens the chocolate flavor. Then I threw in some chocolate chunks. I used Kuwacha chocolate, but you can use compound too. Kuwacha just makes it richer and smoother. Then I poured hot water over it. Whisk it till it's silky and smooth. It kind of looks like ganache when it's done. Next, I added sifted all-purpose flour and added baking soda and baking powder to it. Just whisk it all together and keep it aside for now. In a separate bowl, I added castor sugar and a flavorless oil. Mix these two first before adding your liquids. Then I added buttermilk. I made mine by adding vinegar to milk and letting it sit for 5 minutes. Add a bit of curd. Just whisk this well. It should look smooth and kind of creamy. Now we combine. I added the dry ingredients in 3 parts. Don't dump it all at once. I'm not whisking everything fully before the next addition, just enough to lightly mix. After adding the third part of the dry ingredients, I poured in the chocolate coffee mix we made earlier. And whisked everything together until it looked homogeneous. Be gentle here, don't over whisk. I switched to a spatula at the end just to avoid overmixing. The batter should feel thick and glossy, almost like chocolate ganache. I prepped an 8-inch aluminium till with oil and parchment. Added the batter, swirled it slightly with a skewer. I always do this to level it. And tap the pan to release air. Baked it till a skewer came out clean. A small tip. I always leave the toothpick in for about 2 seconds just to be sure it's fully baked through before taking it out. After baking, I let it cool slightly and ran a spatula around the sides to release. But here's the mistake I made. I shoot in natural light and I was losing it quickly. So I unmolded the cake while it was still warm. That caused a slight break when I flipped it. Don't do that. Wait till it's cooled fully. Still, it turned out so soft. I gently pressed the top just to show you. You will see how bouncy and delicate the sponge really is. I sliced it while it was still warm, which again not ideal. It did crumble a bit, but the crumb was still so soft. This sponge is not overly sweet, perfect for layered cakes. If you try it, I would love to see what you make with it. And thank you for being here for my very first long video. I was nervous, but I hope it felt like baking together.